Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the pen has power and your surface is ready. This prevents interruptions. Once done, enable Bluetooth in settings and keep the surface awake. Press and hold the pen's top button for about 7 seconds to enter pairing mode. You'll see a flashing light. On the surface, choose the pen from the Bluetooth menu and pair. Make sure to accept any prompts so the OS installs drivers automatically and stores the device for future quick connections. Now customize how the pen behaves so it fits your workflow. Open pen settings and assign the top and side buttons to actions like opening OneNote, right-click, or eraser. This speeds tasks. Adjust pressure sensitivity and tilt response within the app or Windows ink settings so strokes feel natural. Test on a simple drawing or note app. Write, press harder and lighter, tilt the pen. If strokes lag, close background apps and ensure high performance mode is enabled. Finish by verifying hardware and software alignment so every stroke lands where you expect. Replace a worn nib and confirm it's seated firmly. Worn tips change feel. Calibrate your pen if the cursor seems offset, and make sure palm rejection is active when you rest your hand. Once calibrated, practice quick gestures and shortcuts you assigned. If pairing fails, restart the surface and the pen, then repair. This common reset resolves most connection and driver hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.